Hey other people, what is up and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, we will test how to get unlimited coins for Pocket FM app absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software, guys. You can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called spacetwig.com. You will find it easily. And then let's search down below, click on Pocket FM, guys. You will get this device supported badge, so just click continue, and guys, uh, it will start syncing API bridge and start connecting to the API. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more and I will review more websites. So let's see, guys, what we will get after this. So it's success and redirecting. So nice. And nice, guys, app icon will appear on your home screen shortly. So guys, let's see our home screen. Nice, we got Pocket FM plus plus, guys. There we go. Now just click on this icon, guys, and it should start searching your Pocket FM on your device. So look at this, it will find it and it will get app found. So guys, now we will have to click add coins and select your coins amount. I will select currently the maximum, click confirm and add. And guys, this loading bar will start syncing data. So we actually started sending coins to our app, guys. I'm literally shaking because I didn't expect this to work. Let's wait and let's see what we'll get after this loading up. There we go, Pocket FM coins successfully added. Let's go, guys. So now just go to your official Pocket FM app, open it, and you will receive all those amazing coins, guys. I'm so excited because it actually worked. After testing a lot of websites, appsnake.com was the spacetwig.com was the only working one, guys. That's pretty much it for this review. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.